Some sneakers are just sneakers. Others, they're legendary. The Air Jordan 12 Flu Game isn't just another pair of kicks, it's a symbol of perseverance, grit, and basketball history. And guess what? It's back in 2025. Michael Jordan, battling flu-like symptoms, drops 38 points against the Utah Jazz, leading the Bulls to victory. That night, this shoe became more than just footwear. It became a testament to greatness. The 2025 Air Jordan 12 Flu Game stays true to its roots with the iconic black and varsity red colorway inspired by the Chicago Bulls' classic look. The upper features a premium black tumbled leather, giving it a sleek yet rugged feel. And that bold red textured overlay? It's what makes this sneaker instantly recognizable. Style is just part of the equation. This sneaker is built for performance. With full-length Zoom air cushioning, it provides unparalleled comfort whether you're on the court or on the streets. A carbon fiber torsional shank ensures stability and support, while the durable rubber outsole offers elite traction on various surfaces. Whether you're hooping or just flexing, the Flu Game 12S have got you covered. How does the Flu Game stack up against other Air Jordan 12 releases? While the Taxi sports a clean white and black look, and the French Blue brings a more refined aesthetic, neither has the historical weight of the Flu Game. Simply put, this is the Air Jordan 12 that tells a story. For sneakerheads wondering how this release compares to the original, there are some key differences. While the 1997 version used full-grain leather, the 2025 model opts for a softer tumbled leather for enhanced comfort. Additionally, the 2025 edition comes in a nostalgic Nike Air branded box, giving it that extra vintage appeal. But don't worry, the Zoom air cushioning and carbon fiber support remain as good as ever. With great sneakers come great fakes. If you're planning to cop a pair, make sure to buy from reputable retailers like Nike Azay, authorized Jordan brand stores, or select sneaker boutiques. Look out for details like color accuracy, stitching quality, and the carbon fiber shank finish. Authentic pairs always have better craftsmanship. The 2025 Air Jordan 12 Flu Game is set to drop in March with a retail price of $210 for adults. And for the first time, it's available in full family sizing. Expect high demand, so be ready to secure your pair as soon as they drop. Whether you're a die-hard Jordan fan, a sneaker collector, or someone who just loves a legendary design, the Air Jordan 12 Flu Game is a must-have. It's more than a sneaker. It's a piece of history. Are you planning to cop the 2025 Air Jordan 12 Flu Game? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sneaker reviews. Until next time, stay fresh.